Hello everyone and welcome to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee and I hope you are all having a fabulous day and continue to stay safe. Today's video will be one of 3 short, simple, but incredibly delicious pita pocket videos. We are going to start off with Grammy's famous pita pockets because they are simply the best. I know you will enjoy this video. Also, make sure to check out Dr. Darnita Hayden, 5 Habits for an Organized Kitchen. Great stuff. Now, let's get into it. Enjoy and try not to drool.